Welcome once again. In this video lesson I will talk about the simplest Forex trading strategy in the world. Trading price action signals from horizontal levels on a price chart is one of the simplest and most effective trading strategies in the world. Look for obvious price action patterns from key horizontal levels in the market. If you just follow that formula, you will have plenty of high-probability trading opportunities in a year's time. Do not make the process of analyzing markets or charts and finding trades too complicated. When the market is ready, it will generate signals for you. All you have to do now is learn what the signals look like and where to look for them. This is what this video lesson will teach you. Horizontal levels plus price action signals equals success. That is the simplest rule in Forex trading. It makes no difference whether you find the price action signal or the level first. What matters is whether the two have come together to form a price action trade that is confluent. You have a potentially very high probability trade on your hands if you have an obvious price action signal, such as a pin bar or a fakie signal, that is formed at a key horizontal level of support or resistance in a market. Key horizontal levels of support or resistance on the chart are areas or levels where price has made a significant move up or down. They work in all market conditions, including trending, counter-trending, and trading ranges. In this video lesson, the most important thing to remember is to look for a clear price action signal at a key chart level. These levels act as magnets, attracting price to them before pushing it away again. They are also known as value areas or areas on the chart where price has found a fair value, which usually occurs before another strong price move. What are the price action you are to look out for at the key horizontal support and resistance levels? Price action are those candlestick patterns or formation that signal reversal or continuation of trends in the market, such as the doji candlestick. How to identify doji candles? 1. Long upper and lower shadows. 2. Real body is small and in the middle of candle. The psychology of movement. With the doji in the middle of the day's trading range and long upper and lower shadows, this candlestick clearly reflects traders' indecision. This pattern is meaningless because it could be a pause before price continues or the start of a trend change. Many people try to trade dojis, but they do not show whether the market is strong or weak. It only has the potential to be a reversal candle if it occurs at a support or resistance level. Another potential reversal pattern is bullish hammer candle, also called a pin bar. How to identify bullish hammer? A small real body near the candle's top. The color of one's skin is unimportant. The length of the lower shadow is at least twice that of the real body. No or very little upper shadow. The previous trend should be a downtrend. The psychology behind the move. A sharp intraday sell-off in a downtrend or within a pullback of an uptrend is followed by a reversal, causing the price to close near its opening price, near the day's high. Another potential reversal pattern is shooting star, also called a pin bar. How to identify shooting star candlestick. Small real body formed near the bottom of the price range. The color of body is unimportant. The upper shadow should be at least twice the length of the body. The lower shadow is either insignificant or non-existent. The psychology of the move. The bulls wanted to push the price higher in an uptrend, but they lacked the strength to do so. The price then drops to the close, near the day's low and close to the opening price. Another potential reversal pattern is engulfing candle pattern. Engulfing pattern is formed when a small candlestick is followed by a large candlestick the next day, the body of which completely overlaps or engulfs the body of the previous day's candlestick. Another popular reversal pattern is inside bar candle pattern. The inside bar candle formation is a popular reversal or continuation candle formation that only requires two candles to form. This pattern is a direct play on short-term market sentiment, attempting to enter before the market's big moves. Another popular reversal pattern is bearish and bullish railway track pattern. A bearish or bullish railway track pattern that has the first candlestick bullish or bearish and the second candlestick turned to bearish or bullish as case may be. The fact that there's a sudden change from bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish candlestick should be a good indication that there might be a change in trend coming up very soon if you see it at support or resistance levels. Let's take a look at some examples of trading price action signals from key chart levels with some of these reversal patterns. Take a look at the chart on the screen. You should be interested in what is happening at the horizontal and resistant levels. And nothing more. You can see the reversal of the market price at the support level where doji patterns were formed. Next is the reversal of the market price at the support level where the bullish railway track pattern appeared. Yet another reversal as a result of long hammer pin bar near the support key level. Now let us check the resistant key level. You can see the collapse of the market price from the resistant level where bearish engulfing pattern formed. Next is the reversal of the market price where the bearish railway track pattern appeared. Check out how a pin bar or shooting star collapsed the market. So with this examples, you can see the importance and the potentiality of key market levels plus price action. It is a Confluence setup, and it usually has a high probability of success. By looking at the chart you can see the market is range bound. It was going up and down within the boundaries of the two key market levels, that is, the support and resistance. In these situations, where a market is range bound, we look at the boundaries of the range for prospective price action buying or selling chances. We can see a good examples of these in the chart when a perfect price action sell and buy signals formed from the key levels of this trading range, setting off big moves. Here is another good example of trend continuation signal with price action. A pin bar and bullish engulfing buy signals formed at a key chart level of support in an uptrending market is perfect example. A good quality trade setup is when you get a price action signal that coincides with a trend and a level. We call it Confluence setup, which usually has high probability of success. There is not a better example than the one on the screen, which developed on the daily euro-dollar chart. There was an uptrend, a key horizontal support level, and then at that level, a very well-defined and perfect pin bar trading and bullish engulfing strategy formed. By these Confluence setups, the trend resumed the next day as the price continued to rise. We can find similar setups in a downtrend market where bearish engulfing and pin bar, including other candle patterns mentioned in this video, can produce selling signals at the market key levels.